What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to talk about Bork really quick. I know I've been bringing you videos about Bork pretty much every single day right now, but it's really important due to all the price action that we have going on. I cannot leave you guys in the dark. Smash that like button because we're going to get into this. I don't need you guys to cheat out of your position because you're scared because it just keeps dipping lower and lower and lower, and we're down 20% today. And matter of fact, if we wanted to get real technical with this, we had a candle today that actually pulled us down 26%. If you look bottom to the top of this candle, it was it took you all the way to like 51. It was a 26% candle. And what was this candle? We're gonna break down really quick what this candle was, guys. It was no crazy news or anything that happened. I'll break it down right here. I'll show you guys real quick. This video is gonna be really quick, really easy, really short. Still scrolling up. I want to show you guys this right here. $43,000 sale right here. IC59. Here he is right here. He sold that. He sold all that. And if you want to look over here, there it was, $43,000 worth of Bork. He sold it right here, 45 grand worth of Bork. And if you guys looked at the Bork holder count, he was right up here. CIC 59, 73 million Bork, 73 million Bork. So he's gone. He's off the list. We lost a big holder. The rank 21, this 21 biggest holder that we had here is out. Whether he was a smart money guy that knew that something bad is coming, or maybe he wanted to put his money elsewhere, maybe he was really early into this thing and he was in profits and he just kept seeing it kept dipping lower and he decided, hey, I'm finally just going to take my money off. Maybe it was like a wallet held by the people running the project and they're just liquidating more and more tokens little by little. There's a lot of different things that we could have expressed what this was. I don't think it was a cause for concern. Really, it brought the price from 71 all the way down to 51. I missed that dip. It all happened so fast. These bots buy this up so fast. Look at all within the first few seconds. They had it back up to 55 within seconds, and then within the minute it was back up to above 60. So I was buying above 60. I was buying right here. I got in for this dip. I got a little bit of this. I got a little bit of this range right here, the 61 area. I got the bottom of this candle. I got like $1,400 in at 59 in the bottom of this candle. But this whole candle right here, ideally, is where we got into this. What do we got here? Eclipse. I wonder if it's going to go the right way. What is happening here? This whole area right here. This whole area, that's where we bought. That was our green zone. Gonna mark that on the chart as a green zone because this is our chart that we use every time that we talk about Bork here on the channel for you guys. So where are we at right now? We're at 67. We're at 6.7 million market cap right now. What did I tell you guys? Didn't I tell you guys? I was telling you guys we started buying at 9 million market cap, a little over it, maybe 9.4 million market cap. Then when we dipped below 9 million, I said anything below 9 million is a deal. We're going to buy between 9 and 7 million, and maybe, hopefully, we'll touch 6 million. I said probably we could touch 6 million. Why would we touch 6 million? Because 6 million here was a significant area that we spent a lot of time trying to break over, and when we finally broke over it, we turned this into support, and up and off we went. We got over here. This is where we turned it into support, and that is where we went for this monstrous run up here. And that's what we talked about on the channel yesterday, is that yellow line right there, that 6 million market cap line, is a crucial line in the sand, and wouldn't you know, those whales would not let it stay under that. It bought back above 6 million within the minute, and not only did it buy up within the minute, anytime it sold back below it, I couldn't get the dip below 6 million. I was getting it for 6.1 million is the low price that I got in. I did ape hard. I aped hard, guys. I'm degen now. I'm hardcore degen right now. But I believe in Bork. I think that this bet is going to pay off. If it doesn't, well, fuck me, right? But I'm here being straight up with you guys, right? Now I'm on the top 100 holder list right here. I'm not in the top 50. I'm not going to expose that to you guys, but I'm on the second page here now. So what is these worth? I'm on the second page right here. of the holder count. So I'm a big holder, a big supporter of Bork. If you guys are down with Bork, trying to get into Bork, then holler at me, subscribe to the channel, and roll with me. I better just get this video out to you guys, because you guys are missing this whole dip. I should have talked about it right at 6 million. Another big whale buyer. I'm telling you guys, man, these big whale buyers, they know that this is a good token. They're not selling this thing. This thing stays strong. If you looked at the bird eye for this thing, those profiles, the profiles of the big whales in Bork, they're still holding enormous amounts of Bork. They're holding, they're waiting, they know there's a future. This is why it's smart that you guys start DCAing into this dip. But do your own research, and this is not financial advice. I believe in Bork. I think Bork is going to do phenomenal. They're very active in the Twitter, 11,000 holders. Solana is almost at $200 right now. If you guys went in here and you looked, Solana is at $190. It's up 30% this week. That is huge, because the Solana co-founder really supports Bork, and Bork has its own validator that's securing Solana's network. So Bork is tied to Solana's success. Solana is tied to Bork's success. So this happening right here, Solana doing this, is going to help Bork ultimately in the long run. So definitely do your own research and think about if you guys want to buy, because now is your buy range, your real buy range. Like, remember, between 9 and 7 million is where we were saying was a crucial buy range that we had. Right between this range is where our buy zone was. Right now, we're in here now. Now we've got this extended buy zone right here. We might as well pull the buy zone down right now and just get rid of this one. And now we've got this buy zone. This is our buy zone, and we're in the buy zone now, according to the charts, according to what I'm seeing, according to where Bork should be. It was worth 4 times this value a week ago, guys. 4 times this value. I wouldn't even begin to express what kind of life I'd be living if it just, retraced or rebounded and went back there, if it recovered, if it went all the way back up there. Now, I don't think it's going to do that. I don't think it's going to run all the way back there overnight. But in the long run, this thing is probably going to go long beyond that point, and we're going to make out really well. But we do need to break this downtrend. I thought we were out of the downtrend. I keep readjusting this downtrend here. Any way that I readjust the downtrend, it doesn't feel like we're following it anymore. That's why I keep readjusting it, because the way the downtrend originally was formed is that we were in this steep decline. Now the decline is like thinning a little bit, but then it thickened back out right here from just that one guy. So maybe he completed the flush all the way down here to this very crucial zone. Maybe that'll be where it goes, because 51, guys, 51 here, right before I let you guys go, I'm about to let you guys go, I promise. But yeah, right down there, 51. So we'll put that zone in black right there, and we'll pull that up right there. Right today, we went to 51. If you guys wanted to look on the 3-minute chart, see, we went down there. We went all the way to 51. See it? There's the red line. We went to 51. Now that you guys know we went to 51, we'll come back out here and look at this crucial zone that we spent a ton of time down at 51. So that very well could have been the bottom. We could have saw the bottom here today at 51 on Bork, if it's going to be a successful project. We're still holding 11,000 holders, guys. Last time, remember, we had like 8,000 or something back before. Now we're holding still under 7 million market cap, and we're still holding that holder count and all the SOL staked in the validator, all the marketing going out, the tease about the KuCoin listing that could be coming up, which, by the way, those listings could be catalysts within themselves to pump the price. So definitely think about it right now, because now could be your best chance to put the bigger part of your bag in. Remember, I said DCA, don't put too much in all at one time. Now is when I think you guys can put more in. We're below 7 million market cap. Maybe we'll get a retrace back to 6 million. Maybe you'll see 6 million again today. Maybe you'll get a dip below it. I don't know. I don't have the crystal ball, guys. I'm not going to try to predict the bottom. But what I'm going to try to do is get pretty close to it, right? We're going to buy through this whole range that we had right here. And when everybody else was buying the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, we didn't. We waited, and we accumulated at the bottom like the whales do. That's what we did. And maybe we were a little early and jumped the gun, but you never knew if this was going to be a big giant bull flag that just pumped out. Maybe a bunch of whales would buy it. Maybe some news would come out. We didn't want to miss it. So that's why we were buying this whole time. And that's why we're here today, right? So love you guys lots. Hope you got value. Subscribe to the channel. Can't wait to be part of your journey. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care. And by the way, don't worry. Like I said, don't worry. All the selling pressure today, most of the selling pressure came from one guy, and his sale got bought up very, very quickly, guys. So what you saw today, and you thought this could be the end for Bork, another 17% down, it's not. This is when the opportunity starts. You know, think of these things as positives, guys. Remember our old accumulation zone that was down here? We basically hit that. 51, we basically hit the top of our accumulation zone just momentarily. That's perfect. A perfect reset for the everything, for the RSI, for this not being overbought. Now it's basically oversold. And who knows, because Bitcoin is still standing strong, and we'll see what happens here, guys, because this recovery is going to be really, really nice for us now since we came down so far. So, but anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bork, Bork, Bork.